Most freelancers live in reactive mode. No plan, no direction, just inbox wars and scattered client to-do lists. This was me until burnout forced me to change. Imagine waking up to a personalized assistant that curates your schedule, suggests the best tasks for you to tackle first, and even help you set your right mindset for the day ahead. By leveraging AI tools, freelancers can streamline their morning routine, ensuring they stay focused and energized. Let's start with AI journal prompting for clarity. Journaling is a powerful tool for freelancers seeking mental clarity and focus. By putting thought to paper, you can untangle complex ideas, reflect on your goals, and identify any obstacles in your path. This practice not only enhances self-awareness, but it also fosters creativity and problem-solving skills. With the advent of AI, we can now access personal journal prompts tailored to your unique challenges and aspirations. These AI tools analyze our preferences and generate prompts that encourage deeper reflection and insight. Incorporating journaling into your morning routine can set a positive tone for the day, helping you prioritize tasks and maintain motivation. AI journaling prompts can elevate your journaling experience, providing you with the clarity needed to navigate your freelance journaling with confidence and purpose. Next is goal setting using AI dashboards. Effective goal setting is crucial for freelancers aiming to achieve success, and AI dashboards play a pivotal role in this process. These innovative tools visualize your goals, break them down into manageable tasks and milestones. By tracking your progress in real time, an AI dashboard can help you stay accountable and motivated. Popular tools like Trello, Asana, and Notion offer AI features that can suggest timeline and prioritization tasks, analyzing your productivity patterns. With these insights, you can adjust your strategies and ensure you're on the right path. Setting clear, achievable goals is essential for maintaining focus and direction in your freelance career. AI dashboards can transform your goal-setting process, making it more efficient and effective, ultimately leading to a greater accomplishment and satisfaction in your work. Last but not least, habit tracking tools using AI-generated feedback. Building productive habits is essential for freelancers, and AI can significantly enhance this process. Through habit tracking apps that provide valuable insights, tools like Habitica and Streaks utilize AI to analyze your behavior patterns, offering personalized feedbacks and suggestions. These insights can highlight areas for improvement and celebrate your successes, making the journey of habit forming more engaging. Consistency, like everything else, is key when it comes to developing lasting habits, as small incremental changes can lead to significant results over time. By setting up habit tracking systems, you can monitor your progress and hold yourself accountable. Effectively implementing AI-generated feedback into your habit tracking routine empowers you to cultivate habits that enhances your productivity and overall well-being. Creating an effective AI-powered morning ritual can set the tone for a positive day. Here's a simple 3-step process to get you started. First, begin with a personalized journaling session with your AI-generated prompts to clarify your thoughts and intentions for the day. This will help you with your focus on your goals and setting a positive mindset. Second, utilize a focus timer like the Pomodoro technique to structure your work sessions and breaks, ensuring you maintain concentration and avoid burnout. Finally, incorporate music tools like Brain to enhance your focus while working on tasks. Remember, personalization is key. Tailor each step to fit your unique needs and preferences. By integrating the AI tools discussed in the previous section, you can create a morning ritual that not only boosts your productivity, but also aligns with your lifestyle. As always, do the research to find what strategy that's best suited for you and your business. Thank you guys for watching, and this is me signing off. As always, stay safe, stay dangerous.